What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to enable macros in new Excel 2021. I was going to say for Windows, but this is for whatever computer you have it on. And how to do it, you got to go to File. So click on File, then go to Options, then click on Trust Center, and then click on Trust Center Settings, and then go to Macro Settings. And this is how you enable macros. So enable VBA macros. Not recommended, potentially dangerous code could run, which is true. So make sure you only run macros you are comfortable with. But also one thing that they do now in Excel is that downloaded files will not run macros unless if you right click on the file and select a specific setting. So that's another safety layer that at least like enabling it this way only lets you run local files with macros. But yeah, so you click OK here. You can click OK, and now you'll be able to run macros and how to create your own. So you can go back to File, go back to Options, and then Customize Ribbon. And if you scroll down, you just select the Developer tab, and then you click OK. And now when you click Developer, macros, you can also go into Visual Basic, and then once you go into like this workbook, this is per sheet. So like for example, if I go in here, I'm on sheet 1. So if you go into Visual Basic, this is the code that you can write for sheet 1, and then there's plenty of examples that you can find online of how to write macros. Basically, you write your own function, and then the function gets called when certain things happen in the Excel. Like for example, if you have a button that you want to click, you can have a function for that. If a cell gets changed, you can have a function for that. So and then you just do things with VBA code. So yeah, you can make the Excel sheet animate, you can make it dump data. I recommend learning to do it through Visual Basic just because it gives you the most power. Record, oh right, this is what I wanted to click, sorry. I clicked macros, but that's not what I wanted, so yeah, okay. Store in this workbook, test. So now you can like record a macro, and you can have it do something that you want it to do. So now if I do stop recording, okay. Wait, let me clear out all this. And now let me try running that macro. Boom. Okay, so that's how you record and run your own macro as well. Sorry for that. I'll probably make a cut for that just to make it make more sense in the video. But yeah, so that's how you enable macros and create your own in the new Excel 2021. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.